Hey guys, today we're going to be making a code that will summarize our lesson 2. So please open up an online Python compiler. Just remember that this code will incorporate random numbers, variables, inputs, math operations, and while loops with ifs. So the point of the code is basically, it's like a number guessing game. So the first thing we want to do is we want to import random. So then it will generate a random number between 1 through 100, and remember it's inclusive of 1 and 100. Then we'll create a variable called guess, which will basically be the user's guess of the number. So guess the number. Then we have to create a variable for how many tries. So we'll start off count with 1, and then let's create our while loop. So while num, which is basically what the actual number is, does not equal the guess, we want to print try again, which means that obviously whatever they typed in was not the correct number. And then we want to do an end equals so that whatever we print out next shows up on the same line. Then we want to add 1 to count so that it shows that you already took up one more try. And now this next part is going to say, is the number higher or lower? So we want to type in if guess is greater than num. That means that our number was higher than what the actual number was supposed to be. So we type in lower. Now let's say our guess was less than our num. That means we would print higher. And then we would say guess equals int input, because remember over here our guess was outside the while loop, which means we won't be asking for another guess if we don't put it again. So guess equals int input, and then guess the number. So outside, this means that we have completed the while loop, which means that our number does equal our guess and we are correct. So we would do our final print statement. We would say our tries is our amount of the count, and the number was num. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's run this. Forgot to put a comma here. Okay, guess the number. Let's say 50. Lower. Okay, 40. Lower, 30. Higher, 35. 33. 34. Okay, see? So, tries 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the number was 34. So that is how your code is supposed to run. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.